Good Monday evening. I'm Kelsey Garkins here in the First Alert Weather Center, and our rainfall totals over the past 24 hours are pretty nice. If you're in Lompoc, you got close to a ½ inch there. Santa Maria and Solvang, you were seeing numbers just below that ¼ inch in Solvang, while Oxnard hit 0.17, Santa Barbara 0.12. But it was a really dynamic storm system because not only did we see these rainfall amounts, but we got hail, some gusty winds, and local mountain snow. Now, as we go throughout the next couple of hours, the storm system not quite finished, but the bulk of the rain has passed through the area. We'll continue to see snow in our local mountains, and we do have a chance of seeing some light scattered showers, possibility of thunderstorms like we did see this afternoon as we go throughout the overnight hours. But it really looks like the bulk of this moisture is going to be in Lompoc all the way until late tonight. By tomorrow morning, we clear out. We actually see beautiful sunshine. We'll see some of those windy conditions, and it's a cool day, but a big change from what we saw out there today. And it's not until we get late into Tuesday that we do have our next storm system coming on in. But in the meantime, this storm system still creating some hazards out there. Winter weather advisory for San Luis Obispo as well as Santa Barbara County's mountains there. Now in Ventura County, the mountains are under a warning. We do expect to see anywhere from 2 to 5 inches of additional snow. And we are also going to be seeing some very gusty, windy conditions out there, creating some driving hazards. If you can avoid any of the mountain roads, you really should when we have these warnings in place. Now, for the Ojai Valley, all of the valleys of Ventura County, frost advisory, as we do expect to see frosty conditions out there tonight. Wind will continue for at least a couple more hours. Now, for the valleys, we have these wind advisory alerts in place until 10 o'clock tonight for all of our coastal areas. The winds will continue until we get to 6 a.m. Tuesday. So we'll be seeing those northwest winds anywhere from 20 to 35 miles per hour. Some of those gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Very similar to what you saw earlier today. As far as that high surf, this will continue for a while as well. For now, we have for the south coast as well as Ventura County's beaches, that surf continuing until 6 p.m. Tuesday. For the central coast until 10 p.m. Tuesday, I think there's a good chance we'll have another one issued from Tuesday going through Friday as well as we get ready for the next storm. So here it is. This is the most significant storm that we have seen thus far this winter season. It is expected to bring us significant rain, snow, and wind. First arriving in San Luis Obispo County right around midnight. You can see as we get to 5 a.m. Not only is this low going to be tapping into this atmospheric river, but that is the reason why we do expect to pick up anywhere from 3 to 6 inches of rain for most local cities, mountains, foothills. Double that is possible. Now, as we go into Wednesday night, you can see that rain really just sticking around Santa Barbara County. And then once we get into Thursday morning, it really starts to push down south into Los Angeles County and out of our local area. But even then, we'll still continue to see some of these light showers as it really starts to finally dry out once we get into the weekend forecast. So as far as a closer look at what to expect, you can see Tuesday evening, still dry, but you'll start to see that cloud cover come in, start to feel pretty stormy outside. Look at that wind picking up. By the time we get to midnight, that's when we'll start to see that moderate rainfall arrive in San Luis Obispo County, with the moderate rainfall making its way into Santa Barbara County as we get to the early morning hours of Wednesday. By mid-morning on Wednesday, all 3 counties are seeing that moderate heavy rain throughout the area. We'll start to see San Luis Obispo County get a break from the heavy rain late on Wednesday. But if you're in Santa Barbara County, for now, it looks like this atmospheric river is placed right over the county, bringing you heavy rain all the way into Thursday. So you can see as we go into 8 p.m. on Wednesday, still dealing with that heavy rain. By the time we get to Thursday morning, currently tracking that heavy rain pushing into Ventura County by mid-morning, pushing into Los Angeles County. And then after that, we'll continue to just see light showers throughout the area. But it's a big rainmaker. A lot of those models showing most local cities 3 to 6 inches. Here it is playing out here. You can see it really depends on where that atmospheric river is shooting all of that moisture, and currently it really looks like the Santa Barbara South Coast as well as the San Ynez Valley and Ojai are going to be picking up the bulk of the system. As far as those greatest impacts, Tuesday night through Thursday night is when we will be seeing these. Possibility of mud flows. Thankfully, we do not have any recent severe burn scars, but we will definitely see some mud and rocks coming off of some of those fragile hillsides. Flooding will be an issue for a lot of our local roadways. Wind event as well with this, down trees and power lines, as well as that high surf. As far as temperatures for tomorrow, your mild day, we're looking at mid to upper 50s along the central coast and upper 50s to low 60s for the Santa Barbara South Coast and Ventura County. That's your forecast. Make sure to keep it right here on your local news channel for the very latest on this event.